If people won't pet my dog because they said it's against their religion to pet my dog. You're really not allowed to pet him? Have you ever had a pet in your life? No, I'm just seriously trying to ask as a person. Like, where are you from?
Comment, alright?
Where are you from? Like,
doesn't matter where I'm from.
Well,
Stop doing the comment.
you can pet him.
Stop.
He's not evil.
What happened?
I said you can pet him.
Stop doing that. You're so evil.
I'm evil? You won't pet my dog because you said he's creepy or
Stop
something.
calling me. Idiot.
Fuck you! They seriously see this shit? They will come up, they will talk shit about my fucking dog, and then they want to give me a fucking attitude. And all I said was, hey, you can pet him, he's a nice dog. See, it's shit like this that makes you go, oh, fuck you. Fuck this goddamn bullshit. I'm not gonna do nothing. I don't have to fucking do shit about it. You're being an asshole. I'm walking to say something nice, and you'll be an asshole. Okay, sir.